following is just a bunch of miscellaneous funny stuff that either didn't make it into the video or it was just, just bloopers or something. Anyway, have fun. Watch it.
I found some Parmesan, some lemon juice spaghetti.
No! We're gonna get sick of the entire song.
We're gonna get sick of this whole song.
Wow.
It's the dumbest video I've ever made.
It's such a good video.
It's so good.
2, 3, 4.
I found some Parmesan, some lemon juice spaghetti sauce with Chester.
You're not helping! It's gonna take so long. We're gonna be up very late. Yo.
Yeah. Here we go. Here we go.
Sriracha, if you're watching, and I know you are, please sponsor me.
You look like the Apple Man.
Alright. And on today's news, we have, I don't know, alas, poor York. Ranch. Ranch.
I don't even
Ranch. 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 Actually, do you want to put on your hat?
Sure. Backwards? Forwards?
Forwards. Backward. Forwards, yeah.
Is there a shadow on my face?
Yes. Maybe do it backwards.
Cool.
Look extra cool.
Just look like that dirtbag guy that would take a 5 from you.
Yeah.
I probably owe you a 5.
I don't know. Welcome to my podcast, everyone.
I think these are beans. So much that I follow.
That's what the neighbors see us.
Alright, well, thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch the original video, here it is. I don't know. Subscribe to this channel, I guess. I do shit posts and whatever.